Here it is. Tyson's big ranch. Pretty big. Today is 18th, July 18th. And Mark's been helping out a lot. And took him a day to build this flat bottom, a day to put these 3 templates up, and then another day to put those other 3 templates up, and then the boards. Today they plan to put this other half of that up right there where you don't see anything, and then maybe start some plywood. And here's the best ramp of them all. No skin rippers, no kinks. There's the master craftsman. Check him out. Look at those bulging muscles. He's so buff. Here comes. Oh, broken boards. Not good. You excited?
No, that's too boring.
What?
Why the hell camera?
Wait till something exciting.